What if I told you there's a powerful AI tool that many professionals are starting to use instead of ChatGPT? It can write, analyze documents, generate ideas, and even help businesses make smarter decisions. Today, we're talking about one of the fastest growing AI tools right now. Welcome back to AI Money Mastery, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools that can help you work smarter and grow online. Today, we're reviewing an advanced AI assistant called Claude AI. Claude AI is an intelligent assistant developed by the AI company Anthropic. It's designed to help with tasks like writing content, analyzing long documents, coding, research, and problem solving. One of the biggest strengths of Claude AI is its ability to understand very large amounts of text at once, which makes it extremely useful for professionals, researchers, and content creators. Here are some powerful features that make Claude AI stand out. First, long document analysis. Second, high-quality writing. Third, smart reasoning. And fourth, safer AI design. Claude can read and summarize extremely long documents, reports, or PDFs quickly. It handles complex data with ease. It can generate blog posts, scripts, emails, and professional content in seconds, maintaining a very human-like tone. Claude is known for giving very detailed and thoughtful answers, often catching nuances that other AI models miss. Anthropic designed Claude to be more reliable and responsible compared to many other AI tools, focusing on ethical AI principles. For creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs, Claude AI can save hours of work. You can use it to generate video ideas, write scripts, or plan entire content strategies. Many professionals in the US are already using AI assistants like Claude to increase productivity and stay ahead in the competitive digital landscape. If you're interested in discovering powerful AI tools that can help you grow faster online, make sure to subscribe to AI Money Mastery. Because on this channel, we explore the latest AI tools that can help you save time and make smarter moves. See you in the next video.